Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make a simple and delicious side dish, glazed carrots. For this, we'll need 1 pound of carrots, a quarter cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of butter, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt divided, an 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and some water for boiling. We'll start by rinsing and peeling our carrots, and filling a medium saucepan with about 2 cups of water, and adding in 1 teaspoon of our salt. Then we'll cut our carrots into 1/4 inch thick slices, and place them in our salted water. And then we'll put our carrots on the stovetop over medium-high heat and allow them to come to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes until fork tender, about 30 minutes in total, before draining them in the sink. While the carrots are draining, we'll melt our 1/4 cup of butter in the same pot on the stovetop over medium-high heat. Once melted, we'll stir in our 1/4 cup of brown sugar, remaining 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. We'll let this cook until just bubbling, about 3 minutes, before adding our carrots back in. We'll allow our carrots and glaze to cook together until thickened, stirring occasionally, about 6 more minutes, before serving. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes like this one.